Hey everyone, it's Justin Benz, your favorite Sarasota and Lakewood Ranch new construction specialist. I'm out here at Webb Catalina. This is the brand new construction, new community out here in Lakewood Ranch. They're the models right behind me. They're gonna have 16 different floor plan options, anywhere from about $360 up to $1 million on the base price. So plenty of options, bring the family, let's go check it out. If you want more details on this community, I've already posted a video on YouTube. Just click the link above. This will have all the goods and the details on this brand new 55 and over community here at Webb Catalina. Because in this video, we're going to focus on the models, and when you come to visit, there's 5 beautifully furnished single-family homes, and there's also 2 villa models you can tour. So there's anywhere from 2-bedroom, $360,000 villas here up to 5-bedroom, 4,000 square feet, $1 million homes, which is the Leighton Grande coming into your picture. Okay folks, today we're going to tour the smallest single family model they have here at Webb Catalina. It is the Contour, coming in at $441,000 base price. It's 2 beds with a flex, 2 bath, right around 1,500 square feet. This one, as shown, is $580,000. Give me a call with any questions. I'd love to set up a tour for you. That's going to be the best way for you to get a feel for these brand new homes, and also the best way for me to assist you moving forward on your home buying journey.